when you're asked to do all of your printing, you're also often asked to share your model as well. And that normally involves saving your model, downloading it, making a detached copy and cleaning out your model. We've all had to clean out models where we've had to delete all of our views and all of our sheets before we send it to a third party for other uses. So again, there's another additional toolbar here with Navigate Accelerate under Manage Project. So under here we have a few different tools that helps you manage your BIM models. Project Cleanup is one of those. It will prompt you to save your project first before you go there. And I can go into Project Cleanup. So what Project Cleanup is going to allow me to do is I don't even have to close the model that I'm in. I just need to make sure I've saved it, and I can save this as a detached copy. So I can keep my work sets or I can discard my work sets. They're the standard settings if I was to open this model as detached. And it's going to prompt me for an output folder where I want to save it. And then it's also going to give me a warning, that, your file name is the same. So you might want to change that just to be on the safe side. Again, I can save this off and I can just save that in a location. I'm going to call it demo. And then I have my options then, so I can start to say, yes, I want to delete the model views except ones that are checked. So every view and every sheet has a special parameter in here that you can basically tick a box saying, do not purge this view. That means that once you run Project Cleanup, any views that you have ticked will be kept in the model. Again, I can delete sheets, revisions, schedules. I can remove all my Revit links, remove my CAD links, clean out CAD imports. And delete anything else like unused scope boxes, unused view filters, delete images. Can also purge the model as well. And finally, as you can see, cleanup is grayed out, so I can't hit this button. I can't hit this button by mistake until I'm ready. There's a final acknowledgement and a final warning of yes, I want to clean up the project, and then you can hit Project Cleanup. That will run then. It's going to detach the model here and it's going to basically clean up whatever I have chosen to do. So I don't have to manually purge this model. I don't have to manually delete all the views and scroll to my project browser. Navigate is going to do all of that for me. Just to quickly show you where the parameter is then, as I scroll down through the parameters for this, it's here. So Navigate, do not purge. And again, you can program that into a view template as well so that a whole set of views potentially will not be purged from your model when you run Project Cleanup. So that's the parameter that you're looking for in your view properties. Navigate, do not purge.